So we are in the highlands of Jalisco. We are about 7,000 feet above the sea level. And as you notice it right here, the soil is completely different from the valley, because in Jalisco we produce 80% of the tequila globally. And here, because we have a red clay volcanic soil, the agaves that tends to be a little bigger. Also, they have like a different flavors and aromas. It's sweeter, it has a citrus notes, it has a floral notes. And this is where it makes the beauty of where we are right now.
Yeah, and the colors coming off them is stunning, and this is a really important part. Like
Yes,
the clue is in the name, right?
Yes.
And these are the only agaves you can use for making tequila.
Just because it's about 200 different kind of species of agaves that they grow globally.
Right.
But to make it tequila, we need to use the blue Weber agave.
Yeah.
You see the colors? And it's like kind of bluish. And this is the perfect agave that takes about 5 to 8 years to mature.
Okay.
And it gives you all different flavors and aromas that you needed to create a tequila. And this is, for me, knowing that tequila is coming from a plant, it makes it very special. What it makes it more special, that we've been doing this for generations and generations.
Absolutely.
Yes, and so this one, the leaves, they call them pencas.
Okay.
Pencas del maguey. And when the jimador comes, it's going to bring a tool called scoa. They've been doing it for generations. It's not like you go to school, no? It's like
Sure.
they teach you the father, the grandfather, things like that. And when they shave the agave, the pencas del maguey, it's going to look like a pineapple, so we call it piña.
Piña.
We've been using this plant for hundreds of years,
Yeah.
and we continue to use it. But the most important is what we're doing for the future. So we really respect the land. It's super important to make sure that we continue having the nutrients for the future generations of the agave. So we have sustainability process to make sure that we can continue to enjoying this beautiful agave plant, which we can get transformed into tequila.
Yeah, for generations to come. Amazing.
Yes.